Welcome to Environmental Law course, dear learner and viewer. I am M.Z.M. Nomani, professor at Department of Law, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, engaged in teaching and research since last 3 decades. I am deeply honored to launch Environmental Law course on M.Z.M and MOOC portal to suit curriculum requirement for undergraduate and postgraduate students of law who are interested in jurisprudence, law, and public policy. The environmental law course is not merely pedagogical but deeply epistemic as it contributes to advanced legal theory, often challenging the conceptual boundaries of environmentalism and constitutionalism. The contemporary environmental law interrogates the legitimacy of environmental governance and compels jurists to rethink the intersection of doctrinal analysis with empirical methodologies and normative theory in a broader socio-ecological conflict. The trajectory of Indian environmental jurisprudence is marked by remarkable judicial creativity, a structural constitutional principle, normative public trust doctrine, intergenerational justice, precautionary principle, and most notably, sustainable development imperatives. The intrinsic technique in this course is blended with international environmental norms, comparative environmental law, and constitutional morality through interpretive techniques of environmental adjudication from periphery to the central to the interpretation of right-based approach to environment as fundamental right and the state obligation. The course is crafted to assist you in exploring these deeper questions and meaningful engagement with theoretical framework that draw from legal pluralism, regulatory theory, ecological constitutionalism, environmental justice critique and critiquing, and philosophies of risk and resilience. This course developed a kind of a rethinking of environmental right, judicialization of climate governance, resolving environmental conflict, and theorizing paradigms in planetary justice framework. As a learner, you will engage in case studies, judicial review simulation, policy evaluation exercises, and research-led seminar to regulate complex socio-ecological conflict. The curriculum and the course encourages an interdisciplinary approach to examine how environmental norms are produced through multi-level governance system, how institutional design shapes environmental law and justice, and how transnational legal processes from climate justice to climate litigation and biodiversity governance are redefining the global legal order, especially the global environmental order, in a fresh manner. Therefore, I earnestly urge you to join this course with intellectual ambition and a scholarly discipline to read widely, question deeply, and write boldly. By doing so, you not only advance academic discourse but foster equity, rationality, and constitutional fidelity. May this program inspire you to legal scholarship and articulation in shaping this environmental law discourse to foster environmental justice in India. I encourage you to engage deeply with materials, cases, statute, doctrines on the arena of environment, on the arena of water, on the arena of air, on the arena of noise, as well as try to look at the entire environmental air, water, and noise pollution in a perspective which serves as a normative foundation for environmental law governance in India. Beside, the course also offer a deep insight into the forest conservation and protection, wildlife protection, and biodiversity protection to evolve a kind of a paradigm to see that how environmental dispute resolution in this country are going to meet the goals of sustainability. I thank you in anticipation and I wish you a happy learning.